Two great epics of India are the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. These epics are revered in Hindu culture and have had a profound influence on Indian literature, art, and religious practices. Here is an explanation of each epic. Ramayana. The Ramayana is an ancient Indian epic attributed to the sage Valmiki. It tells the story of Prince Rama, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu, and his journey to rescue his wife Sita from the demon king Ravana. The epic explores themes of honor, duty, loyalty, devotion, and the triumph of good over evil. Ramayana consists of 7 books, Kandas, and is written in Sanskrit. The main characters of the Ramayana include Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Hanuman, and Ravana. Rama is depicted as the ideal king, husband, and warrior, known for his unwavering righteousness and adherence to dharma, righteous duty. Sita is portrayed as the embodiment of virtue, purity, and loyalty. The epic narrates their trials and tribulations, including Rama's exile to the forest, Sita's abduction, and the ultimate battle between Rama and Ravana. The Ramayana has not only served as a religious and moral guide for Hindus but has also inspired various adaptations, interpretations, and performances in different languages and artistic forms across the Indian subcontinent. It explores profound philosophical concepts, such as the nature of reality, the human condition, and the significance of divine intervention. Mahabharata. Mahabharata is another ancient Indian epic, attributed to the sage Vyasa. It is one of the longest epic poems in the world and is written in Sanskrit. The Mahabharata narrates the story of the Kuru dynasty and the great Kurukshetra war between the Kauravas and the Pandavas, 2 factions of cousins. The epic explores complex themes of duty, morality, righteousness, power, and the consequences of human actions. It delves into intricacies of human relationships, including the bond of brothers, the conflicts arising from ambition and greed, and the challenges of making ethical choices in a morally ambiguous world. The central characters of the Mahabharata include the Pandavas, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva, and the Kauravas, headed by Duryodhana. Lord Krishna, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, serves as a central figure and provides guidance to the Pandavas. The epic encompasses various subplots, philosophical discourses, such as the Bhagavad Gita, and teachings on dharma and righteous living. The Mahabharata is not just an epic narrative but also contains profound wisdom, moral teachings, and reflections on the nature of existence. It addresses profound questions related to duty, ethics, and the complexities of human nature. It has been a source of inspiration for generations, and its influence extends beyond religious and cultural boundaries. Both the Ramayana and the Mahabharata are not only revered as sacred texts but also serve as cultural touchstones in India. They have shaped the religious, moral, and artistic landscape of the country, and their timeless stories and teachings continue to resonate with people across generations.